afraid of death. Our religion teaches us to be always prepared for death. We face it bravely. Faith, honor of Pakistan and Islam. There is no better salvation for a Muslim than the death of a martyr for a righteous cause. Do your duty, but have faith in God. There is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan.